Hey everybody, I'm Melissa and this is my brother.
Hey.
And we're going to be making M&M cookies today. So here's a few things that you're going to need to get started. You're going to need 2 bowls, these items, and to set the oven to 350 on convection bake. And now we're ready to put the ingredients in the bowl. So first I'm going to start out with the 1/2 cup shortening. And then I'm going to have Brandon go ahead and scoop the 1/2 cup butter. So there you are, bud. Ooh, got it on my hand. Good. Get the sides. You want to make sure you get all the butter. So here. And then we're going to add the 3/4 cup of sugar. So go ahead, Brandon. And then I'm going to add the 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And then we need 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Oh.
Hey.
Here we go. Go ahead and put it over this. Make sure it's flat. Alright, there we are. Go ahead and dump that. So 1 teaspoon. And then 2 teaspoons. Oh, I spilled a little. Alright, awesome. And then last but not least, we're gonna add 2 eggs. And I'm gonna crack those into a separate bowl just to make sure that we don't get any shells. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix those up separately so it's going to be easier to stir in later. Alright, and then adding the 2 eggs. And then you're going to go ahead and mix all that together. And then you're going to set your wet ingredients to the side and you're going to start working with your dry ingredients. So first I'm going to dump the 2 1/4 cup of flour. And then I'm going to have Brandon help me with the baking soda. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon. So we're going to push it in this way, and then you're going to scrape it up against the side, okay? And then I'm going to try to help you out along the way. So down, up, that, and then pull it out nice and easy. Good. There you go. Ooh, all right, good. Go ahead, put it in there. All right, and then tap, tap. Just keep tapping. All right, and then hold that over the box, or the bowl. Hold this over the bowl. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to Alright, go ahead and dump that in there. Good. Nice tapping. And then you're gonna go ahead and mix that together, and then you're going to combine the two. And then we're gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna have Brandon slowly put some in there. So go ahead and pour it in. And then I'm gonna slowly start mixing it together. Keep going. Oop. Alright, I think we're ready to just dump it. Alright. And start stirring, Brandon. Alright, and then you're going to take your cookie batter and then you're going to put it onto a cookie sheet, and we have it already lined with parchment paper, and then Brandon's going to go ahead and put the M&Ms on.
Fast forward this, so we're going to be talking about squirrels in this part. You can. Yeah. At the end. So I can start putting some of them on.
Alright, so there's our cookies with their M&Ms. And then, once again, 350 convection bake. And then I'm going to set them in there for about 8 minutes and just check to see when they are ready. And now we wait.